Our topic is our festival. So we have different festivals which we celebrate with great zeal and enthusiasm. They can be religious, harvest, or national festival. First of all, we will discuss some celebrations. First one is Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November. This day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. Next is Teachers' Day. It is celebrated on 5th of September. It is the birthday of Dr. S. Radha Krishnan. Children show their love and respect for their teachers by giving them flowers and cards. Next is Gandhi Jayanti. It is a national festival also. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October. Mahatma Gandhi birthday is called Gandhi Jayanti. He is called the father of the nation. Now, all the festivals we celebrate with our family. We became together. Festivals are celebrated at different times. Some of them they are national festival, some are religious, and some are harvest festivals. So, first of all, we will discuss national festivals. They are Independence Day, Republic Day, and we have already discussed Gandhi Jayanti also. So, these are our national festival. Now, Independence Day, it is celebrated on 15th of August. On this day, the national flag is hosted at Red Fort in India. This day represents India's freedom from the British rule. Mahatma Gandhi, he played a very major role in gaining independence for India from the British Empire. He was a great freedom fighter. Next is Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. A grand and colorful parade led by Indian Armed Forces is taken out from the Rashtrapati Bhavan to the Red Fort in New Delhi. The President of India, he takes the salute. Next are religious festival. First one is Diwali. Diwali, it is a festival of light. It is celebrated to rejoice Ram's return to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. People decorate their houses with diyas and candles to welcome Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. On this day, people distribute sweets, wear new clothes, and light crackers. Next are religious festivals. So Christmas is also a religious festival. It is celebrated on 25th December, the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christians celebrate this day with great joy. They buy and decorate Christmas tree for their houses. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them gifts on the eve of Christmas. Next is Guru Parv. So Guru Parv, it is celebrated to mark the birthday of the 10th Sikh Guru. On this day, the Sikhs offer prayers in Gurdwara. They also read from the Guru Granth Sahib. Processions are taken out and food is distributed among people. That is called Langar. Next is Eid. It is an important Muslim festival. For fasting is done for 30 days and this period is called Ramzan. People break their fast when the new moon is sighted. People offer the prayers at the mosque. Special food is cooked. A sweet dish called sevaiya is made and offered to the guest. People greet each other with Eid Mubarak. Next are harvest festival. First one is Holi. So Holi is a spring festival of Hindu. It is a festival of colors. People spray colored water over each other playfully and distributes sweets. Holi is celebrated on the full moon day. Next is Bihu. The festival of Bihu is celebrated in Assam for celebrating a good harvest. Bihu is also famous for the colorful Bihu dance and grand feasts. Ladies wear bright saris and dance together. This festival is held in mid-April and continues for a month. Next is Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival celebrated in Tamil Nadu. This festivals fall in Germany. A special dish called Pongal rice is made from newly harvested rice and jaggery. Next harvest festival is Onam. It is mainly celebrated in Kerala, which is a harvest people. People worship King Mahabali. Boat racing is the most exciting part of this festival. Elephants are decorated and taken out in a procession.